Now body with this cucumber clip, bitch, brah. Body with this cucumber clip, bitch, brah. Body with this cucumber clip, bitch, brah. Only standos on my shit. No need for side, I'm shooting from the hip. By the way, I love it when I blood drip. And this lead burning when it sinks. Tearing up your bitch, take your shots, accept the shit, bitch. Bleeding on the ground like you finished. While I'm sipping on my lifting. Turn you to a ghost like Quentin. So snatching in the quickness. Did you bitch ass running or we licking? Ain't with the friendship, just into that river flesh. Blood drip, not to mention back here, back then. Now, triple through my question. Don't ask me no stupid ass question. Metal coming from, what the fuck I'm fucking clutching. First chance, fuck no. Why you think I give you second? No double guessing. Stop you out, how the fuck I'm stepping body in the back. Now you learned your fucking little lesson. Should I get it? All you fucking blessings. Temper short boy, who the fuck you bum flexing? Something quick with these blows, fucking checking. Now your body in the back, get into stretching, bitch. Cucumber clip, bitch, brah. That cucumber clip, bitch, brah.